channel. My name is Seibold and thank you for clicking onto this video. I really hope the traffic isn't too loud because for me right now I can hear the traffic really loud, but I don't know what the camera's doing. Anyway, so today I thought I'd just bring you on the day of my life because I'm gonna have the same day like pretty much every day for like the next 2 weeks. So I thought I'd just show you what my day kind of looks like. So as you heard in my last video, I've started a work experience at Les Mills here in New Zealand and it's going really good. I've already nearly finished 2 weeks of my 3 weeks of doing it. So my first week, it was only Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and that went really well. So today is actually already Thursday in the next week. So it was a public holiday on Tuesday, so everyone took their time off on Monday, and then I didn't need to come in yesterday. So this week I only have 2 days of work experience, but there are already meetings scheduled and courses scheduled, so I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna have a good 2 days. So my friend from home, she arrived on Saturday, and I was so excited to see her, and she arrived with her boyfriend, and we've had a really cool weekend together. We did a lot of fun things. It was stressful because we were figuring out some new things, but we still had such a great time, and it's just so funny with them. I absolutely love spending time with them. So they're staying in a camper van and I'm staying in an Airbnb right now. So after my work experience, they're probably gonna come up here and we're gonna cook some dinner or just do something tonight. So you'll definitely need to stay tuned to see what we end up doing, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good time, so definitely make sure to stay till the end. Okay, with all that being said, let's get my day going. A quick insight to my videos. I don't have a tripod, so I just built myself my own tripod with a couscous packet and water bottle. But I put the couscous packet the wrong way around, so it started to leak everywhere. Okay, so right now it is 9:25 and I just woke up like 20 minutes ago and I had breakfast as you saw, and now I'm gonna get myself ready. I don't usually wake up this late. I've been waking up early for a couple of days now and I really needed to have a good sleep. So yeah, that's why I woke up so late. So my work experience today, I need to be there at 10 o'clock. That's when my first meeting is. So I'm probably going to get there for around like 5 to 10. I could technically see the Les Mills building from my apartment. There's just one building in the way. But yeah, which shows me that I really don't need to walk that far, which is also great. But yeah, so 9:25 right now. I'm just gonna get myself ready and then get going. And then I'll see you guys afterwards for lunch. Probably gonna see you again for lunchtime because I don't know what I'm gonna film during my work experience. Yeah, see you then. Okay, I am done with my work experience for today. The time is 4:45. It was a pretty long day today. It was a lot of packing clothes around. So the filming starts in 2 weeks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then go check out my last video because I explained my work experience there. So today I did a lot of like wardrobe things. So we were packing the wardrobe boxes from the garage into the storeroom, and then in the afternoon we were like unpacking all of the wardrobe and hanging it up and sorting it out. So it was a lot of like moving around, but it was good. I helped out a lot, and yeah, now I'm so hungry and I'm so tired. But my friends are gonna come in a sec, and then we're actually gonna go to a Les Mills workout class, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, let's just chill. Tim Tams, just the best biscuits there are. You can't argue with me. They're just good. Just look at that. did a really cool Les Mills course, and now we're cooking some carbonara. This is my friend Emma. Hi! And this is Victor! Okay, we had a bit of a discussion on how we make the carbonara. Would you put onions into carbonara or not?
Not a chance. Not a chance. You don't put onions into... Every Italian guy will cut your head off.
If you put onions in?
Yeah, because Italian dishes are always 3 like ingredients with pasta or with not cheese. So this is just whipped cream, parmesan and ham. And if you put onion in, that's the 4th one.
But I was going to put tomatoes in it, so that's the 4th one.
Tomato? Are you kidding me? No. Tomato is even worse because I mean you have the cream and it's all white and it's all colourful.
Yeah, but then you have like a pink cream.
Do you always put tomatoes in your?
Yeah, and like shrimp.
That is not a carbonara.
What is it then?
I don't know.
It's my dad's favorite meal.
It's carbonara. It's whipped cream with parmesan cheese, ham, shrimps, and what did she say? Tomato. But that is not a carbonara.
Okay, we finished cooking. I did in fact add tomatoes. They don't have tomatoes. Does it taste good? Amazing. Oh, it looks good. But we have a lot. We portioned it so that we have food for now and then food for tomorrow for lunch. But I have a very big portion, so we'll see if it works. Because that's a lot of pasta. But yeah, sitting here and then with a really cool view. Okay, we've just had dinner and now we're gonna play a game, and we've been playing this game a lot recently and it's just super funny. So the way it works is just a card game, and the way it works is everyone has a pile of cards and then you have to go around saying the thing that comes after the thing the first person said. So basically I'll put a card down face up and I'll say 2, and then the next person goes 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes like this. And then if the card you put down matches the thing you're saying, everyone has to slam their hand on the deck, and the person who's at the top has to pick up all the cards. And it gets pretty funny. So that's how the game works, and so now we're gonna play it, and yeah, we'll see how intense it gets. Yeah. Round 2.
Attempt 2.
Hopefully we don't break another glass. Oh, bin ich doof? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stress! Oh, das ist voll die crazy Perspektive. Die müsst ihr euch gleich anschauen.
Hier.
2,
8,
9,
10,
Dame,
König.
Ass.
2.
Das kann nicht sein, dass ich da der langsamste war. Ich war eigentlich richtig schnell. 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8, 9,
10,
Uhr,
Dame.
König,
Ass,
2,
3,
4, 10,
Bube,
Dame,
König,
Ass.
2. Okay. Bye. Okay, now I'm by myself again. What I'm gonna do now is just brush my teeth and go to bed because I'm so tired. And we decided that tomorrow morning we want to do a trip workout, which is also at Les Mills, and I'm really excited. So maybe I'll put it in this video. We'll see. But it's gonna be really fun, so I'm very excited for tomorrow. So I was just getting ready for bed, and then I saw a message from my mum asking me how my day was. So I decided to call her. So mum, say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, sometimes in the evenings I'll call my mum or my family because our time difference is exactly 12 hours. So right now, what's the time, mum?
It is now. Thank you for asking. And it is 11:30.
11:30. So for me it's 11:30 at night, but for my mum it's 11:30 morning, daytime. So it's a good time where we like to chat. But yes, now I'm gonna go to bed. My alarm is set for 6:20. The course starts at 7:10. I'm picking up Emma and Victor at like 6:50, so pretty early. And I'm not gonna get that much sleep, so I'll catch up on sleep on the weekend. But yeah, for now, it was a great day. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Oh, it's so early. Okay. It's 20 to 7. I have 10 minutes to get ready. And then we're gonna go down to Emma and Victor. Good plan. Apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Let's go. Damn it, I pressed the up button. Okay, I really hope that Emma and Victor are awake, because otherwise I would have woken up for nothing. Woo! They're awake. Party people! Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, it's 7 in the morning. We're on our way to Les Mills. Are you motivated?
Not right now, but maybe when the course starts.
Are you motivated? No. Well, I'm motivated. So I'll motivate them. But I think it's gonna be really cool. Yo. Okay. What did you guys think?
It was amazing.
Woo!
Exhausted.
It was, yeah, pretty hard. We think it was harder than the body combat yesterday, right?
For sure, 100%.
Yeah, that was really exhausting. But it was good, and now we feel good because it's already 8 in the morning. We've already done some spots. Woo! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a day in the life of me living here in Auckland by myself, doing a work experience, having friends over from time to time. My work experience is only 1 more week, and then I'm off on a small road trip with Emma, and I'm very excited for all of that. Right now it's 2 in the morning. I've been editing this video for such a long time, so definitely go give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!